Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Morning,
What
family.
up with it, fellas? What up with it?
Just caught that 1 minute. Let's go.
Yeah, I caught the same thing, but I took it for one. I just took it for one micro. I made about $50 per account on that trade.
The boy said he took it for one micro. Let's get it. Let's go.
Yeah, I took it for one micro. I wish I would have held it. Damn, I wish I would have held it.
Hey,
I took it.
1 minute open and break. 1 minute open and break.
Hey, that's crazy. I done added this strategy. I got to add it to my full-time repertoire.
You
That bitch
dig?
is still tanking. Man, I wish I'd have held that motherfucker.
You
I'd have been up
dig?
I would have been up like 100 points off one micro if I'd have held it. Because I got in kind of early. I ain't gonna lie. I cheated the strategy. I got in early.
Oh, that boy say he don't care if it got wicked out. He don't care if he might possibly get wicked. Oh, even though I showed him the wick. Oh, he don't care.
I got 3
Oh.
and it got me to 145. Let's go.
Oh, you did? You took the trade too?
Yup.
Yo, y'all are funny as shit. Hey, I'm with some executors. I like that.
I seen it that it closed, and then on the pullback, I had the I was chasing the pullback, and I was dropping it where it was creating little supports, and just dropped it, boom, and just retested, and it dropped.
Hey, yes, sir. It is what it is. it is what it is. So yeah, man, that's
this damn thing moving like in Q, boy. This thing dropping $4-5 at a time, $3-4 at a time. God,
you talking about ES? Or you talking about MNQ?
MNQ.
Yeah, MNQ moving nicely. I mean, all the NASDAQ, everything. You know?
They're moving nice, boy.
The E Mama NASDAQ, the E Mini NASDAQ, the Micro E Grandmother NASDAQ, all that moving nice. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're gonna get some good clean moves today.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. The high. What's the low? 537? I don't even make sense. 548, huh? Oh, because of the breaks. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I mean, you know, the move happened.
Order canceled.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, bro, this is how my days be.
Let's go.
Short target. Okay, we done by 9:33, 9:34.
Let's go.
That's it. That's all you gotta do. But my one thing with the strategy as well, when it comes time to take those stops, you need to take the stop because it's quick.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how it goes, man. But now
that strategy go crazy.
I'm happy y'all see it. You know?
Yeah, that strategy go crazy. I don't think I ever took a loss with it since I've been back testing it since last week.
Yeah, it hasn't lost. It took the only time it actually took a loss was there was a day where the market took some type of short, some type of, forgot what it was. It was like it did a target. It did some crazy wick and it just did what it did.
Yeah.
But yeah, as far as, let's see what I do here. Orders submitted. Take those little targets off. That's 106. And
I had to make sure my trade copy was working.
oh yeah, that'd be the worst when it's not.
Man, for real. I thought I had to make sure.
But yeah, that's the one thing about the strategy. When it comes time to take that loss quick. because
Yeah,
if it reverses, it can reverse fast. It can move against you
real quick.
real
I
quick.
um
So,
I just caught a little bit of that little bounce right there off overnight low. We put in a Doge. I caught it for like 16 points. I made about $80 on there.
so there is.
It's just hard to shit this, man. This thing is going. This thing is bouncing, boy.
It's that volatility, man.
That
We back.
volatility is crazy today, boy. Got
Volatility
me.
is back.
It is back, boy.
hmm So I always tell people, um, obviously, if you have your own trader style, you know you do what you do. But I always tell people, yo, go trade the micros for now. Like you trade the minis. Like for me, this is how I do it. I'll trade the minis if I have a like a specific strategy where the stop loss is contained. You know what I'm
Right,
saying?
right.
But there's some people that they use wider stops. You try doing that on the minis in this type of market, man, that stop gonna get hit so fast.
You're
So
gonna get hit fast, yeah.
real fast. So,
That's a whole
but I
countdown.
yeah. So I tell people, yo, just micro it out until you got something that's sustainable. You know what I'm saying? Because this is what it is. But a lot of people they do what they do, and they end up not in a good situation like Friday.
Yeah, they
Like I talked to a lot of people on Friday that 3, 4, 5 months of hard work done. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That's what it is.
Hey, did you see that dude's the little thing that he wrote, the little text on this chart? Oh, if market don't make all new time highs today, I'm
Oh
out.
yeah, he a scammer anyway. He a scam type dude.
Yeah,
He claims he be trading, but he really be on paper shit.
yeah.
So yeah, but it is what it is.
who y'all talking about?
Some dude named Dodgy. Like my thing is, it's all right if you paper trade and shit. Say that, but don't like don't say you're not. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like there are times that I'll tell y'all. There are times where literally I'm not copying because I have issues or I'm done. And this right here, this is the leader
Me
trade.
too. I do the
You
same. I
know?
don't know if y'all be seeing me. Sergio might be seeing it, but I drop in there. I might be up 20,000 on the account or something, but I make sure I put
Mhm.
paper trade underneath. I be
Yeah,
like paper
exactly,
trade account.
exactly.
Yeah,
You're
I
just getting
ain't
the
out here trying to.
repetitions in, especially
Yeah,
especially when if you didn't already got your goal. If we done already went and got what we needed to go get, I'll say the paper trading shit is more just like we're not paper trading without a purpose. It's a trade where we're like, okay, I'm just fine tuning my skills. I'm just trying to get right. You know what I'm saying?
Just
So
yeah. Look at my strategy. That motherfucker just played out. That Doji with the big green open to the upside. If you got in on it's
mm,
24,756, this mug up here
yeah,
at 28
that's the
15.
that's also the 50% of the day right there. I got some strategies that just capitalize on the long just now too while we were. Let me see.
let's go.
Yeah,
Where is
I took a few trades too. I just got out of them because of that fucking volatility, man. It's crazy.
yeah. hmm It's nuts. So this is where like all right. So if y'all see on the 1 minute charts, right, with
Right.
that move, y'all see how the top of that candle, the second or third minute, it wicked
Yeah,
through that level, but
it
never
did.
closed.
It never closed, and
It never closed.
if you'd have got in it, you'd have been screwed.
You
Thinking
see what
that,
I'm saying?
but that's what I did on the downside. I ain't gonna lie, I jumped in
Yeah.
early. It could have wicked up against me, but I was like, bro, the selling pressure just was too. Look, if you look at the buying
You
pressure,
say, yo, I
they
do that shit though.
yeah, the selling pressure it came in way more hotter
Yeah.
than the buying pressure. The buying pressure was
hmm
like wiki, and the
hmm
selling pressure was thick red
It
blocks.
was
So I was
it
like,
was
man,
it was it came heavy.
yeah, I say, man, I'm finna end this mother. We got the break.
hmm
I took that one micro. I
hmm
said, fuck it. If I lose on this micro, it's cool, But shit,
Yep.
I ain't taking no drawdown. Like when I enter, I probably took a few. Man, I mean, like little very like 2 3 points of drawdown. It came right back
hmm
into my favor.
Yeah. When I initially got in, we got in at 87. It got back up as high as 802. So we were in 13 points. Ooh,
Damn, that was a nasty rejection.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were down. We was at 13 points of some
Ooh.
heat, and then it ended up doing what it do. Let's see what happens here.
Oh, we finna. If this continue to push, we going back down to the downside.
Mm-hmm.
But see, I would like to see if I was going short, which I'm not gonna take it short. But if I was going short, I'd like to see this reversal counter turn red before I wanted to see it turn red and the following counter to open up red. And
Mm-hmm.
For the wick.
Yeah,
yeah, you see how it's pushing. Yeah, I don't see that. I don't like that.
man, these wikis is
See, we open up red, right?
different. These
Let's see, do we
wikis
can?
is crazy.
Yeah,
Ooh, yeah.
told you we finna get it. Okay. Yeah, let me see. We're gonna get the drop. Them fucking wicks is ridiculous, boy.
Yeah.
You gotta run the tight stop loss today, boy. Damn, look at that thing went from 90 to 81. In one tick. Golly. Yeah, look like I'm gonna be trading 1 and 2 micros all day today. I ain't going over that.
There's no point in doing extra. Yep. No point.
Cause you can make your money off just 1 or 2 right now. Shit.
Yep.
Yeah, bro, I'm on vacation all week, man. It's our so every year, I don't know how y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all do too, but in my local high school, we do homecoming every year. And man, it's my 15-year reunion. So I normally take our homecoming week. I take that whole entire week off, you know what
Hey,
I'm saying, to prepare for it. Like, it's cool.
fire. We about 10 points from target. 5 points now. I don't even know if they're gonna do it. They did it. Target field.
Ooh, boy,
Okay.
you're a strong man holding through all this volatility. Me, I see $60, 100, I'm taking it.
Oh well, I mean, I'm just it's the algos moving, so I got
Oh,
my
okay.
shit's all is because the way for me it's like entry, target to stop, live with the result.
Yeah, I get what you're
So
saying.
entry 789, exit 811. I'll show y'all too, just so y'all can see the So we've taken 4 trades so far, 1 loss, 3 wins, 1 loss, and I'll show y'all. I'll pull it up right now. Yeah, man. But this is why we got to take the trades and live with the result. Let me see here. Um, where is the? We're gonna go. Where's Zoom at? I can't even. Okay, I have so many screens. Here we got screen. What's the screen 4? We're going screen 4. Share. Let me know. Y'all should be able to see. Yeah, a couple trades. We went short up the open. Stop was above the line. Didn't get it. This is one of my cleaner charts, so y'all can see. Short target. We took another short here at the 50. Right, we thought we were gonna get something. We took the loss. You know, take the loss.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So now we long with it. Long target. Another long. I told y'all I was long here and wait to target. 811.75. That was target. Long target. Long target. And that's it. We up out of there. I want my shit to freeze up. Every time I be sharing my screen, my shit freeze. So, but yeah, that was it. There's nothing left to do. Oh, here's my little doggy.
You heard me, Lou. You got your internet fixed, huh?
Nah, I don't. But they're coming today. It's okay right now, but that's why I wanted to get in and out quick. I'm not trying to be.
Yeah.
Like,
So they
yeah.
came by and they didn't fix it, or they thought they fixed it.
So it basically they came by, they switched out one of they switched out the power box or the power plug or box in the closet, and then they switched out the router. So that basically eliminates those as issues. So if the issues still persist, then it's something else.
Okay.
So it's something else. So
Okay.
but I guess when I was talking to them this weekend, they were gonna figure out, they're gonna come here and confirm that, they're basically just coming here to confirm um, that it's not the router and it's not the box and the thing, and then they're gonna see the issues, and then they're gonna do their diagnostic tests, but they can only do it from here. They can't, the specific test that they're gonna do, they can only do it if someone is actually here. So
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for them to get here. But
Okay.
yeah, that's why I'm trying to implement these strategies so I can just be done quickly,
In and
because
out.
in and out, in and out, get my money and get up out of there. So, and that's exactly what happened today. Yeah. Oh, your bone. I'm sorry. Here, here, mama. Here. Okay. My dog put her bone under my desk, and I'm wondering, like, why are you right here? And then I see her bone. Oh, okay. All right, she's good. But yeah, no, that's yeah, it feels good. Get it done. Get up out of there. Don't got much. Since I'm like, I'm having these issues on all my PA accounts, they traded one micro just
Oh
to,
yeah, yeah, that's smart.
because I'm not. If say I was in a trade and it went against me, and now my internet disconnects, I'd rather not. Because they're gonna be here in like an hour or two. So yeah, but it was a
Hey,
good day today.
morning,
Hey,
fam.
that boy Ant in the building.
Hey, what's up with y'all fellas?
Hey, how you
What
What
it
up
doing?
do?
with
What
it?
it do, man? Hmm.
How y'all boys been?
Man, we chilling, man. Just trying to be execution specialists.
Man, bro, for real.
Yes, sir. That's it, man. What's going on with you, bro?
Man, bro, really just getting back in the groove. You know what I mean? Getting back in the groove.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Not expecting too much from the market, I would say. You know what I mean? Had my good little run, had to pull out quite a bit just for life purposes. And then, you have
Mm-hmm.
the wrong mindset, be like, oh, all right, shit, I've been doing good. I'm just going to make it back in the market.
Oh,
Yeah. Um,
oh. I already know how that goes.
oh man, bro.
That's funny as hell.
Hey,
I say,
so
oh.
hey man, just keeping it real. Just keeping it
I
real.
I appreciate that. I already know how that go. Oh, it's like
Oh,
when your mama was hitting you with the belt in your back and your stomach your stomach poke
I
out.
cry.
Like
You want to scream, you can't get nothing out.
right. Yeah,
Nah,
it
man,
goes
but yeah, had to pull some bread out. I was on a good run, so I was like, yeah, man, I'm gonna just go ahead, make this right back in the market like I've been doing. You know what I
10
mean?
pennies.
Yeah, wrong mindset. Have don't go into the market with that mindset.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, but we good. We good. Just had to got into a little funk. Had to get out the little funk. Had to get my mind back right.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah, but we all good. We all good.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, you cool with it, fam?
Trying, bro. Trying. We all cold with this shit, bro. This our year for
Mm-hmm.
real. For real. Once it got to a point to where it ain't got nothing to do with your strategy, man. Straight psychology. It's like,
Yeah.
man.
Yes, sir. Like I seen a post the other day. I put it in the group, and it basically said something about like it's not about continuing to learn shit. We, at the end of the day, if you know enough in the market, you already know enough. Like
Man,
it's
bro.
you ain't gotta know, you ain't gotta learn more. Like this, like because you don't gotta learn more.
Yeah.
What I see with a lot of people is they trying to find the holy grail. They trying to, it's like it ain't the holy grail is in between your ears.
Yeah, man, I remember
Hey, real shit.
my old basketball coach. He used to be like, he used to always see me in the gym, like working on my weaknesses. Like, like I'm right-handed, but like when I hoop, like I go left a lot. So I started working on my right hand. He was like, "What are you doing?" I like, "Man, I'm trying to strengthen my weakness." He said, "Man, focus on strengthening your strengths." I
Man.
was like, "Damn, that's crazy." He said, "What you do well, learn how to do it even better. Strengthen your strengths. Stop trying to like, yeah, you know what I'm saying." He was like, "Man,
Simplify there.
That's real.
yeah,
Hey, real shit. That's real for real. I mean,
Yeah.
like especially in this market, man, there ain't no way we're gonna be able to call every move. But I'm pretty sure every single one of us are. We're able to direct the market pretty much more times than none. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, in this game, that's more than enough. You know what I'm saying? I was watching a video the other day where it was like you don't even have to be in the full move. You just got to be in the majority of that motherfucker. You know what I mean? And it's like,
yeah, yeah,
Bro,
you,
that's what I've been preaching to so many people.
man, bro, and that's been my problem. Because like sometimes I'll be like, I didn't catch the whole move, but I mean, like, bro, you caught more than half of it. You know what I mean? And like
yeah."
that's literally all you need in this game. You know what I mean? That's
Bro,
gonna that's
Ain't
gonna win
nobody
each time.
look. Ain't
thank
nobody
you.
never lost accounts by taking profit. Shit,
That's what
Man,
I'm
come
saying,
on, bro.
man.
can't
Come
lose
Like
no
on, bro.
accounts by taking profit.
I'm and I shared my screen earlier. I'm gonna share it right now just again just so you could see something.
Yeah.
Um,
Let me see.
just so you can see there's a couple things that we talked about one specific strategy from before. But I'm gonna show you this one. All right,
Yeah,
this
that boy
strategy,
put me on to something new.
yeah, it's nice, but this is something else. This is well, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you a couple things. I'm gonna show you that, and then I'm gonna show you
Bro,
the
be cold with them strategies, man.
yeah. I'm gonna show you that, and then I'm gonna also show you I'm gonna also show you the 1 minute joint. I'm gonna bring that over in a second. So all right, market open, and this is probably one of my cleaner charts. 930. That's the opening price. 24,824. Okay. Enter the trade. We sure. I didn't catch this whole move. That's fine. I don't care about that. Okay.
Yeah.
I took a short here. We took a stop. That's fine. I went long. Target. I went long. Target. I didn't catch the whole move. I don't care. That's fine. I caught 89 to 11. That's damn near 22 points. I caught 22
Man, come on,
points.
bro.
I'm good. I caught some points here. I caught points here. I don't care about the rest of this shit.
And
All
you're
this
on
shit
the
has nothing to do with me.
and you're with extra for the day too.
Yeah. So I took a loss here. I took a win, then a loss. I was break even. Then I took another win. So I'm back. I'm back the amount that I was up here. And then I'm up even more now.
Come
Done.
on, bro.
Done for the day. Now, if I go here, this is the 1 minute joint we was talking about. But I have two. Oh, they busting now. I took. We went short. So at this 9:30, we had the opening high. We had the 1 minute opening high, 1 minute opening low. We wicked through. We didn't close. That's fine. We closed down here. We took the trade. Got it. Call it 600. This is a kill switch 450. So we were up six. We were up seven. We were up seven and some change. I let it go back 200. Take me out. That's fine. Market now busting up. This shit got nothing to do with me. We done. Who cares? We up out of there. That don't even matter. Market's busting
Real
now.
shit, bro. Already made your money, man.
Made my money. I'm good. Now I can chill out. I can attend to my dog. I can
Order filled.
cook breakfast. I can wait for Verizon to come fix my internet. I can do all type of shit. We out. We done. But again, today, out of transparency, I only took one micro, and I only took this trade here on the account on all my Apex PAs. My other accounts got the rest. My Apex PAs, I treat them a little bit more different just because I got a lot of them, and so I need to. That's the moneymaker. So they get their piece, and we out. Everybody else took these trades. Um, TPT, everybody. Um, Bewley, everybody. So yeah, that's where we at. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you ain't got stress no more today. Shit, you done.
I'm done. I'm out. I'm done. We good. Yeah,
Stop
probably that.
filled.
Um, yeah.
That mother got some strength to it now. I should have held that damn biker. I went long at the 15-minute range again, but I sold that motherfucker.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying, my bro. Just got to be okay coming in, getting what you need, and getting the hell out.
Especially
Yeah.
today, man. That volatility is crazy, boy.
Mm-hmm. And especially with all the Trump news now and the tariffs and all
Yeah,
that.
what in and out.
Yeah, and what I was saying earlier too, and I'm sure y'all, I'm not the only one that knows people like this. I'm sure y'all do too. I know there was some people I know, bro, that they had accounts, they built up accounts 3, 4, 5 months, doing very good, and they chose to be undisciplined on Friday. I don't know if you saw what happened in the markets on Friday or not. Did you
Man, I
see?
saw it, bro. Yeah. I saw a lot of people blew accounts, man. I'm so
Yeah.
glad when we was on a
Well, no, I mean
call.
Ant. Does Ant know?
Oh, okay,
I mean,
okay.
luckily, I was on the right
I know
side of
Reno.
the end on Friday. But I
Oh,
mean, I know how that shit be, bro. That shit used to be me 24/7 doing good on the week and then blowing my
mm-hmm.
shit on Friday.
Yeah, I don't trade long on Fridays,
Yeah.
bro. I don't care
Yeah,
what I
bro.
make. I
Yep.
don't trade
I
long.
feel
I
you
get
on
the
that,
fuck up
Mac.
out of there, bro.
I feel you, Mac. Hell yeah. But Ant,
I,
I don't know if you peeped the whole shit with Trump and the markets on
No,
Friday.
I didn't know what the fuck was going on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, market dump like the Nasdaq did like 1,000 point dump.
that motherfucker's flop, boy.
Just
Seen
dump.
that shit. I seen the motherfuckers was definitely dying though. I think I shorted YM
Yeah.
that day.
Oh shit. And hold on a second. I gotta y'all good to go. I'm still on, but I got a call. I'll be back.
Yeah, I think that's the day I shorted YM when everything just dumped. I seen it from a statistical standpoint, but or a technical standpoint. I didn't know what was going on fundamentally though.
Yeah, Trump say he gonna tariff on China 150% or some shit, crazy shit like that. 100%, man. The fucking market went cried crazy.
Oh my god,
Yeah, he said something about putting tariffs on China 100%. I was like,
100%. Fuck.
yeah.
God damn.
I'm like, bro, people got to know he's playing the bluff, but that market like they took it. I don't, hey, like they took it serious, boy.
Man, what? 100% is crazy.
Yeah, bro. We got done trading early that day. I don't know what it would have been
Yeah.
if we still been in the charts.
Yeah, me, you, and Lou, we was on a call. We had got done trading earlier, so I had got off. You know what I'm saying? Because I was at work that day too, and man, I look back at the market, just peeked at it. I say, my God. Then that's when I found out Trump had said that.
We did the right choice for real.
Oh yeah, I'm back. Yes, sir.
We were talking
Yes,
about
sir.
we got done early on Friday, and good thing that we get done early on Friday, because man, if we would have been in the charts,
Yeah, man. Woo. Yeah, that shit was crazy. That was, ooh, that was nasty. As them, as them Australians say, that was nasty. Yeah,
I was
well, that was disgusting. Man, Mac, what time did you finish up on Friday? You was finished pretty
I
early,
was
right?
yeah, I was on the call with y'all whenever when I
Right?
yeah, because remember I told y'all. Remember, I was like, man, I'm at work, so I'm just gonna call
Oh
it a
yeah,
day.
yeah,
I
yeah.
made
That's
what I
right.
made. Yeah, I made what I made.
I think we all hit Target early.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that shit was beautiful.
Yeah, bro. Friday could have been a really fat ass fucking day, but I mean, because I usually trail my take profits whenever I'm in profit. You know what I'm saying? But Friday, I mean, it just dumped that shit, hit my take profit so damn fast. I didn't know what the hell happened.
Mm-hmm. Yep, that's how it go,
Like, well, shit,
and
going
that's
on,
how it
B.
go. Market does what it does, and yeah, I'm just here to just collect a little piece.
And I'm just here to do what I can.
Here to collect my little piece, and I'm out. That's it,
Real,
man.
just let me get my little piece of the pie.
Let me get my little piece, man. I'm gone. So yeah, it was it was a crazy day. It was a crazy day, man. Yeah. And and the thing is I be feeling bad for some folks that, they're still, still kind of going through like the growing pains, but I know that's part of the game. You know what I'm saying? That's part of it, where you have to you got to go through it.
Man, bro. That's
Got to
all
go through
to
it.
get through it.
Got to, because folks that have been through it, that got to the other side like us, we can only I can only tell you so much. You got to feel that shit.
Yeah, you
You
gotta
got
feel it.
Yeah, you got to feel having accounts that you work so hard for, and then blowing them shits off of dumb shit.
Oh man. And you know what? Ain't that what's so fucked up, bro? Because like, say you, Lou, right?
Mm-hmm.
You're doing the damn thing already, bro. It's already proven that you can do what you do. You got multiple accounts, whatever the case may be. Somebody
Mm-hmm.
can come in, you could teach that same person step from step
Mm-hmm.
exactly what to do, when to get in, when to get out, what
And
not to do for.
they still won't do it like you because
Bro, they
the
still got to
context
go
of
through
it.
their own shit, bro.
They
Mm-hmm.
still gotta go through that trial and error, bro.
Yeah,
Bro,
they
what?
still got to go through that. If you tell them the strategy, you still, because at the end of the day, like, there's a lot of different strategies out there. Um there's a lot of different gurus out there teaching shit. Like, there's so many different strategies out there, and you can only teach someone so much. Like, I said this before, I can literally hand people these algos. I can hand you the automation. I can hand you the way to do it, and someone might still have a different result. Why?
Man,
Yeah.
bro.
There might be a trade where it might take a little heat. They might, fuck it, I'm closing the trade out. They didn't actually, they did not accept the potential loss. Like,
Because they ain't
when
used to
you know what I'm
drawdown.
saying?
They
Exactly.
ain't got that built-in mind frame to be able to hold a drawdown position.
Exactly.
Like this shit is literally, you literally got to build your mind frame to be able to endure the things you endure in here, so you don't fuck your own self up.
That's a fact. That's a fact. Like, it's difficult for people to see red on the screen. Like,
Man, bro.
it's difficult. Like, you can be, as soon as you get into a trade, it's going against you.
Man, bro.
Yeah.
You
But
got the stop loss in place. Do you actually accept that could be a loss? Like, is that stop loss in there because you actually think it's, like, you cool with that loss, or are you put it there just cause?
Yeah,
I remember my earlier days, I used to like mind fuck myself. Instead of me doing money, I used to do percentages. Instead of it being
Mm-hmm.
red,
man.
when I'm taking a loss, I used to do like I changed the red to like orange. So it just more like
Mm-hmm.
mine, like when I
For
first
sure.
started trading, I really did trade like that. Like, cause I
Yeah.
was trying to get my psychology down pat. And once I
Mm-hmm.
got my psychology down pat, I don't even trip no more about red being on the screen. Like, long as
Man,
I
come
know what
on.
I'm looking at, I know why I took the trade. You know
Yeah.
what I'm saying? I got my, like you said, I got my stop loss in place. I got my take profit in place. So now sometimes do I kill the trade early? Especially when it's going against me, I kill the trade early because sometimes I do it because if it go heavy in my favor, I just reposition myself. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Just
And that's
reposition myself.
intuition. Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just my intuition kicking in saying, hey bro, look how
Mm-hmm.
thick and red that candle was. That motherfucker finna keep going against you. You know what I'm saying?
Man.
Exactly.
That's also from experience too.
That's
You know what I'm
experience.
saying?
Yep. Exactly.
One thing I've seen, bro, is that our brains are like naturally stubborn.
Bro.
Yes.
Oh, us as
Yeah.
humans, we don't want to be wrong. Well, we are
Nope.
Yeah,
naturally,
bro.
we want to be right every single
Mm-hmm.
time, and that will fuck you. Trying to be right because
Mm-hmm.
once we take a trade, we automatically think we right, and
Man, bro.
once it go against you, you
Mm-hmm.
constantly in your head saying, "Oh, I'm still right. I'm right. You know, this gonna come back my
Mm-hmm.
way. I'm right." Instead of you just killing the trade and repositioning yourself for another one, it's our human nature to want to be right.
Yep.
Damn,
Man,
man. You just got to take that accountability, bro. Shit.
I
That's a
ain't gonna
fact.
lie, bro. I still got a problem with holding my winners and cutting my losers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. That's a huge. See, that's a
Man,
yeah. Sometimes I don't have a huge problem with it, but sometimes I do fall into it. I fall back into it sometimes because that come with arrogance and confidence. Like, don't you
Mm-hmm.
can't be overconfident doing this shit. This ain't like you know what I'm saying.
Nope.
You can't be
No, sir.
overconfident doing this. You got to be humble I'm talking about every day. I don't care if you're a 50-year trader. You've been doing this. I don't care how long,
Every day.
bro. You have to be humble, or the market will humble you. It will humble you. If you ain't humble, it'll do it for you,
That's a fact.
I get
That's
man.
a
What
that
that?
fact.
naturally, but the ATMs, bro, that did the change for me. Naturally, I
Mm-hmm.
cannot do that. Like me myself, I would not. But the ATMs and just letting them trail out on their own, bro, that
Yeah.
really helped me with that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because it's systematic. It's no emotion, just
No
systematic. It's
emotions.
if
Yeah,
it's a win, it's a win. If it's a loss, it's a loss.
yeah. No
Why?
emotions
What
to
what
it.
is what is saying it's a loss? Data. What is saying it's a win? Data. Why just stop? Go here. What data?
see,
The
that's what
market's
be
telling
killing
me.
me too, bro. Because it's like, bro, it tells you what it's doing, like all the
Mm-hmm.
time. You know what I'm
Every
saying?
time.
The market is literally telling you. It's you ignoring what the market is telling you. You don't want to
Facts.
see what you're actually seeing, so you act ignorant to the fact. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But then whenever it takes you out, you can't act brand new because whenever it was 10 ticks down from profit, you know what I'm saying? You knew it was going to turn against you. So it's like, damn, bro.
Yeah.
I,
Yep.
I love this game, man. This shit, man, I love this game, bro. It's crazy. I
Man,
love it.
Mm-hmm.
and almost everybody I encounter knows how to trade, right? They can break it down to me. But the biggest problem with them, they get in the direction wrong. Like you on the wrong side of the
Mm-hmm.
trade. Like they can tell you what candlesticks is, what the 21 EMA, the VWAP. Like they have a good strategy. Like I mean, a good
All of that.
strategy. But if you on
Yep.
the wrong side of it, you can have all that and still be on the wrong side of the trade and still lose. You know what I'm
And still
saying?
lose.
Like,
Still get clapped. Yep.
Man, come on.
Yep. Yeah. But that 1 minute had
yeah.
anyone went long, yeah, you would have eventually it would have worked out eventually.
But you'd have
But
been fuck ton of drawdown.
shit, you'd have been in some drawdown. You'd have been in some drawdown. But yeah, that's the bread and butter. It's the bread and butter play. It it gets folks to where they need to be.
Yeah, that mud the truth.
Yeah, folks to where they need to be. And it's simple. Like, and that's how I like to keep all this shit simple.
And they're real simple. That's just real
Real
simple.
simple.
1 minute close below. Well, the first 1 minute candle mark out the high low, and wait on the second one to close above or below to go short or long. Shit,
That's it. Straight facts. Straight facts.
Yeah, we got this now.
And we do.
Mm.
Yeah, I guess we can probably go over the news too. We got for the week. So since this government shutdown, we have obviously all the data that's coming out of like the BLS, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, all that shit's gonna be is basically delayed. But hold on,
Do
let me pull
CPI
it up.
data and all that still come out?
Nah, so the last no, so nope, because that's all from BLS, and that's the government agency. So
I
So what's
thought
basically,
I
going
thought
on?
I thought I thought Powell and them wasn't a part of the government, right? Well, you're right.
nah,
You're right.
that's
Technically, yeah.
yeah. Well, that's
So we not
CPI
getting
is not
reports no
POW.
more?
Yeah. That's why I said CPI, not PAL. He
Yeah,
just the chairman of it. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, makes
yeah.
sense.
But yeah, for in terms of reports, so we get some reports, like some of the reports we get, like let me see, uh, let me see. I posted
But
in the.
CPI
I'm going to the
supposed to be
meeting
coming
things.
out this is it this Wednesday or something like that? Or supposed to be or something
Nah.
like that?
So what we got this week? So basically today, we already know today is Columbus or Indigenous People Day.
Right.
Um, the stock market and the futures market is open. Obviously, we know that, but the bond market is closed. So bond market is closed, and then apparently Powell is speaking tomorrow, but it's not. It's listed on a couple sites, so I put it on there just so that we can just be aware of it. So Powell speaking, and then we got a bunch of Fed governors and Fed presidents speaking. We have, and then as far as reports, PPI jobless claims and retail sales. That's supposed to be released. That's scheduled for release Thursday. But again, those are federal government reports, so that will be delayed. And then we have natural gas and oil coming out also Thursday. And then there's some more reports on Friday, which is the housing starts and permits, as well as um, import export prices and industrial production. Those are all government. Those are all government data points. So that's gonna be a delay with that as well. So yeah, man, we just waiting to see what they gonna do. Um, not really sure. Uh, not really sure when government shutdown is gonna be done, but until then, I guess we just gotta wait.
Man, that is crazy.
hmm Yeah. So yeah, this is it's just waiting. We just waiting.
Whew, shit. What am I looking for?
Yeah, a bunch of. I think I'm about to up the contracts on this other strategy I'm running. Oh shit! I gotta trade the other account. Damn, I got one more account I gotta trade. Um, but that'll be it. Yo, it's still give me a little bit of I still get a little bit of jitters when I'm trading and I see 20 PAs and moved in a position. That's like I still feel a little jittery.
Got cortisol.
Yeah,
Yeah, still but
still human.
still human. Even though I know it's small risk, but
Mm.
it is what it is. I'm cool with it. Oh, this, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, just like that. Um, yeah, where that boy Martin at, man?
With that boy Martin. I think he might be off today, maybe.
Oh, okay. Let me see what it's talking about.
I'll be at the crypt today too.
Oh yeah, okay. Hmm. Before.
Yeah, boy, is in anything right now?
Nah, we done for the day.
I,
Yeah.
I took a little baby loss, but I just did it to put a day on this account.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
It wasn't even a real trade. I didn't see anything. I just opened and closed.
Oh, okay.
Ju- Just
So
the
break even. Not even a loss. That's a break even.
Yeah,
Yep.
and then on the other account, I'm good green on that
Okay.
market open on the 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, sorry.
What do you call the strategy, Lou?
It's the 1 minute ORB.
Okay, bet.
It's the 1 minute ORB. That's it. It's clean. It's simple. It's it's it can. So for me, like the 1 minute ORB as it was running, I actually wasn't even in front of the chart when it executed. Um, I forgot I had it copy into some PAs, and it did what it needed to do. But that's the beauty of it, where like I know if you're gonna trade the ORB, you gotta be there, watch the candle close and all this stuff. If you have it automated, it just does it,
Yeah.
and there's no thought. So that's wait, what? What's this? Oh, I'm in something. Oh shit. Hold on.
He said, I am in.
Oh, it's trailing our oh shit. Hold on. Oh,
So if your system sees a setup, it'll get in by itself.
it just does it.
Okay, that's cool.
It just took. I'm gonna share the screen so y'all can see what it was.
Yeah, I'm in this freaking I'm in this oil buy right now.
Let's go
I love
zoom.
me some I love me some Earl.
Yeah, oil is good. Here, screen 4, share, show meeting. Here. All right. There we go. We were just short.
Hey,
Position short
that gotta feel
target.
good though to come up in your shit not even knowing that you finna be in anything and I already up a baggie.
Well, sometimes I'm like, damn, I didn't even want to be in something.
Yeah, true.
But yeah, for the most part, it's cool. It's
Yeah,
a nice feeling because I mean, at the end of the day, I've done a lot of me and some coders. You know, a lot of research was done,
yeah.
and then a lot of
What
back
cold?
testing to see, like, you know, if the market does something. At the end of the day, everything is an if and statement.
Yeah.
If this, do this. If this,
That
do
yeah.
this. And in that if, there's a lot of things that it's either a simple strategy where it's a couple ifs, or another more complicated strategy where it's a lot more ifs. But if all of those things happen, okay, do this, put the stop here, put the target here, trail here. That's it.
What he said? If it was a fix.
If it was a field, that's it, man. So yeah, that's how I'm coming. So yeah, it feels good to yeah, it feels good to have that working for sure.
Mhm.
For sure. I ain't even gonna lie. I ain't even gonna lie to you and tell you it I can't even say it don't feel good because it do.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it has to. Your system playing out correctly.
Yes, sir. But at some point I'm gonna have to, you know, start sizing into positions a little bit more. But
Mhm.
at this
Man, bro.
juncture, maybe not right now. I'm gonna slow it down, especially with this volatility and my
Yeah,
internet issues.
yeah. Nah, for sure, for sure.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay. Hold on one second, y'all. I'll be right back. I'm still on the call though, bro. I'm dealing with this little doggy.
If it was a fit, we would all be straight.
You taking any more trades for today, fam?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
I'm just stealing this oil from this morning from morning's open. I mean, at this 59.36, it's at 59.80. Target is 60.08, halfway there. I already got some shit locked in, so we looking good for the day already.
You trailing right now, huh?
Yeah, I'm trying right now. We already good. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna retrace way down to the 61.8. I doubt it now, but this is a tough one right here. I might just cancel it. I think we
What? You in something right now?
no. I got an order sitting at the 61.8, but man, it's kind of late in the day. You know,
Oh,
I
yeah,
feel
yeah,
like
yeah.
after 10 a.m. at times you see something good, but it doesn't matter how good it
Yeah.
is. It just don't normally play. You see what I'm saying?
What you ready? You wait for it to get around to that 980? What you looking at? NQ?
Yeah, MNQ at the 61
Yeah,
eight.
yeah, yeah. That's where my level was for it too. To get up there and reject.
And yesterday it opened. We made some support in there, so we got some confluences in there. So I feel like if we touch it, we might have a little bounce. But we're so up high for the day that I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, good. Yeah.
Hey,
Man, fam, I think if this Joker do want to hit TP today, I'll be passing this account today.
ooh, let's go,
But
let's go. Do, do,
but
do you know how much the activation is gonna be by any chance? Is it the same as the regular ones?
I don't know, but I think it would probably be the same amount as the 50K ones because
What account you talking about?
the 100K static,
What Apex?
yeah,
Yeah, I think so. I think they're all the same. Yep.
yeah, because the 100K static is cheaper than the actual 100K account. You know what I mean?
Hmm.
Damn, so it's actually cheaper, huh?
Yeah, it's actually cheaper than the actual 100K account, but that's because you only got a $625 drawdown. But I mean, with me, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? Because I ain't got to worry about that daily drawdown. You know what I mean? I leave my shit at break even. I ain't gonna
Oh,
get
so you
hit.
can only lose $600, huh?
Yeah, you can only lose $625.
On the fifty
Yeah,
k.
I'm saying on a 100K.
Oh, but the payout rules are different, right?
I think now. See, I think I haven't read it yet, but I think once I get to my payout, I'll be able to withdraw because I only can lose $625. You know what I'm
Nah,
saying?
you
So
can
it's
withdraw, but I'm saying I think the payout rules are different.
oh, I have no idea. I have to still read some more into it. The only thing that sold me on these accounts is those they ain't got the drawdown drink. So
Right.
I was I was
Yeah, I
all
feel you.
in. I ain't care how much bread they gave me. I ain't got drawdown. That mean I can move break even. What you need?
Yeah.
Yeah, that just helps with my strategy though. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause
Hmm.
that drawdown was really hurting your boy, like for real, for real. Especially whenever I'd be break even and I'd still get hit because of the drawdown that came down. Yeah, that would hurt your boy's account, and then that would hurt my psychology as well. And then I'd start ending up doing stupid shit. You know what I mean? So Yeah.
Way to be.
Oh shit. TP just smacked. God damn.
Let's go.
Go. Let's
Let's
go.
go. Yeah, it took my ass the fuck up out of there. I tried to put the alarm up under it so I could move it up if I needed to. But now that
Mm-hmm.
motherfucker. Oh,
Now
okay.
that now
So
that you now that you hit long, now that you hit that TP, bro, don't even say to yourself, "Damn, I should have." Bro,
man,
take
bro, see, so I'm not gonna lie, I do got a problem with that too. You know what I'm
let it
saying? I
be.
do got a
Yes,
problem with
sir.
that too. You know what I'm saying? When that bitch hit TP, I'd be like, oh, if it keeps going, I could have been like, oh, I could have made this much, would have been, but could
Yep.
have, would have, should have, man. I just made $530. You know what I'm saying? And
I'm
I
talking about.
mean,
I was talking to someone else about that too the other last week. I'm like, bro, at the end of the day, like, here's the thing. At the end of the day, nobody fucking knows nothing where the market's gonna go. All
man,
we
bro,
have is some fucking probabilities. That is
yeah,
it.
bro,
Nobody knows. Nobody knows nothing. It don't
ain't
matter what
nobody
type
know
of trader
nothing.
you are. You do not know where the market's gonna go because at
Yeah,
the end of the day, somebody at some hedge fund could dump 1,000 contracts or buy up 1,000 contracts and make the market move wherever. So
just
that's
because he
that's how
wanted
this
to.
goes. Just because he wanted to.
Man,
So that's why when I hear
my
people
bad,
say,
bro.
"Oh," that's when I hear people say, "Oh, the thing could have done this because of this and this." Bro, you
Yeah,
do not know. You do that
yeah,
shit. That is the one pet peeve of mine. If
yeah,
you
real shit,
knew,
bro.
you would be rich as fuck. You do
Hey,
not know.
hey, you know that one song with J. Cole? What is it? I think it's with J. Cole where it said, if you could do crime for 24 hours, what would it be? Or something like that. You know what I mean? Every single
Hmm.
time I hear that song, I'd be like, shit, I would know all the CPI information. Boy, I go
Yeah.
full margin.
Like nobody knows nothing. All we can do is play on probabilities. We have an edge. If
Yeah,
this
real shit,
happens,
bro.
this could happen. So at the end of the day, that's why when we get into trades, we got to put a stop loss because we
Yeah,
don't
real
know.
shit. You don't know. How you doing, brother? Hey, what's up, boss man? Can I get these two splits with the receipt on the ice?
So yeah, I'll be back.
Uh, yeah, bro, you right, man. I appreciate you, brother. I be having a bad habit of that, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, it hit TP and just rejected the hell off of that. So if I didn't have my TP set where I needed it to be, I'd have been pissed off. Yeah. I'd have been like, now why the hell didn't I leave my shit where I knew I should have had it? Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, Lord.
Yo, sir, do you still got a 120 and 5 Nenzarenko brick on your charts?
Yeah.
216.
Check that out real quick.
Okay.
Where's the open price on this one? Oh, no open.
I don't know why it's not showing on that one. I can get it real quick.
X. No, all you gotta do is go ahead and go to templates towards the bottom, load.
Default.
Yeah, default. There you go. Look how clean them bricks are, man.
Bam.
Oh, the brick, half brick, whole brick. Hey.
Hey. Yeah, man, I mean, if somebody did this, somebody could have went short here, rolled that down, went long, rolled that up, done for the day.
Come on, easy.
From here
That's
to here, what's that price? What's this? 70 something to I don't even know what them prices are. It's just so clean.
But see, this
So
is
clean.
another reason why we so cold, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because a lot of people would, if they ain't got no benefits from the market, you know what I'm saying, they ain't just gonna deal with it at all. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like
Mhm.
being in the market more than what I needed to, even if I wasn't looking at anything, just still monitoring it to seeing how it moved and what I could have done and what plays
Mhm.
could have happened. You know what I'm saying? That sharpens
Yeah.
your skills even more, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Facts.
Like that shit. That's literally why. But because motherfuckers will literally be in a drought and the market ain't showing nothing, they ain't want nothing to do with the market. You know what I'm saying? Shit already pissing them off and everything else. They don't want to do nothing with the market. But for those motherfuckers that literally be like, man, this motherfucker beating my ass, but I still want to know what it's doing type shit, still want to see how it's moving and shit, bro. Man, bro, we be making it through.
Straight facts.
That shit be crazy.
Straight facts.
That shit was not fucking easy. Uh, Trading
Straight
is
facts.
fucking easy. It's crazy because trading is easy if you listen to yourself. But boy, man, that shit at the same time is not fucking easy.
Mm-hmm. Yo, sir, did you see that pop up?
Oh yeah. Bet.
But I want to learn another strategy too. You know what I mean? Like my strategy that I got right now, I love it. I wouldn't change it for a world. It's priceless to me. You understand me? But I do want to learn a strategy for whenever we're in running markets. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I told y'all this before or not, but yeah, whenever shit's just at its highest highs and just moving. You know what I'm saying? Because I work better in ranging markets when shit's having lower highs. You know what I'm saying? Like actually ranging and shit. But whenever that motherfucker does going in one straight direction, shit, I'm off them motherfuckers. Hell, but I know people is making bread off of them, but I just don't know what they see.
I'll be RB fam. I'm getting a quick call.
Yo, I can't go to this next tab. Oops. Never mind. Okay.
So, hey, Lou, how many
Yo, sir. Yes, sir.
so how many strategies would you say that you have?
I got too many to count.
Okay,
There's so many.
yeah,
It's a point where like, well, let me not say I got. It's more like I got enough. I got enough to a point where I have enough for all types of markets
market
to capture
conditions, yeah,
to capture more if I need to.
yeah,
And then also the way my targeting system is dynamic, meaning if the market is giving me a lot of if the market is really expanding, my targets and stops will be further apart. But then what'll also happen is my contract size will either reduce or increase.
mm,
So
okay,
everything is all predicated on market conditions. So that's why I
yeah,
like a lot of my strategies. Like I have strategies where basically where because my the stops are never, it's never, oh, I need to put my stop at a certain dollar amount away. My stops
yeah,
go where they're supposed to go, and then I manage risk accordingly.
yeah, okay,
You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah,
So
yeah,
it's,
type
you know what
shit,
I'm
type shit.
saying?
That's kind
Type
of how
shit.
I be with
So
my risk. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't really have a set risk. I just put I have a set risk, like a set dollar amount risk, but I
hmm
don't have a set contract size that will um determine on what the market structure is giving me. Because if I only need
exactly.
a 25 tick stop loss, then I can put in 10 contracts. But if I need
hmm
a 50 tick stop loss, then I'm only going to be able to put in a 5 contract trade. You know what I mean?
That's exactly right, and that's why I use my tool because I don't even have to. I don't even have to think
Do the
about it.
math, but yeah,
I don't have
type
to do the
shit.
math. I punt my risk. The dollar amount stays the same. Now,
Mm-hmm.
the amount of contracts traded, that differs.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it
That
could
difference.
be 3 micros, it could be 6 micros, it could be
Yeah,
12 micros. If
yeah,
you
real shit.
18, so
And
yeah,
and
that's how
and
that go.
and with that 3 to 18 contracts, you're still risking the same amount of dollar size.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? That's how it be with me. You know what I mean? It just all
Hmm.
depends. So some trades I can really leverage out on because I got such a small stop loss, but I'm in for so many contracts. You know what I'm
Hmm.
saying? And my fucking TP at 1 to 5 or some shit. Man, bro, that'd be the week right there.
Hmm. That's how
Oh
it go.
God, that should be the week.
I'm back, y'all. I'm
That's
back.
how it go. Yes, sir.
These are the 120 and 5.
That's the 120 and 5. So I would have shown you just some variations. You can see the 120 and 5 gave a little bit more entries.
Oh, bet,
Um,
bet.
and you can see after the market opened, we just pushed down and then we turned, pushed up, and then we turned. So that's 3 clear trades right there. 3 clear trades, no nothing. Actually, you know what too? So if you see my fault, I'm gonna go back. Um, let me know when you see that.
Bet. I did it.
Okay, word. So here, red is your stop loss. That's a target. Risk at this point, you risk 120 to make 120. Same thing.
And for these, what would you say? It says confirmation. Once it prints one, and you see a continuation, maybe.
Nope. The confirmation is that as soon as it flips, the candle flips.
Oh, like right now. Look at
Right
the
at,
look at the one we're doing right now. What do you think on that one?
oh yeah, as soon as if it was to close, boom, you get in there. But the thing is, you for these,
Mm-hmm.
You would get in it where for a sale or
yeah. So this one,
that's crazy. Shit, that motherfucker really telling you what the market doing.
yeah. So I'm going to sim. You don't have any replication, right?
No, 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 no.
All right. So that's why you got to wait for it to close. Imagine you went short there, you would have been asked out. Because look, it can wick. It can come
Yeah,
down. It can wick and then keep going
gotta wait
like
for that
this.
closure.
You got to wait for the closure because it can literally keep going. But what I'm gonna do is just so I don't
That used to
fuck
fuck
up.
me up all the time. Shit, it'll be 10, 15 seconds in the candle, look like it's gonna close one way. I impulse it, and that motherfucker end up in 10 seconds closing the opposite candle. I'll be
Mm-hmm.
like, oh Lord.
Yep,
Now I'm stuck in that motherfucker just hoping.
that's how it go.
Hoping. Hoping ain't no damn strategy. Mm. So what time frame candle is that you're looking at?
It's not a time frame.
Order filled.
But I just want to show you how it works. The
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not a time frame. It's just showing bricks.
Yeah. Okay. And what type of market condition is fair to use something like this in?
Any market condition. These bricks, you would just change the bricks depending on how the market conditions are.
Okay.
But I think I was telling Serge already though, like basically these when you're using such big bricks, it's best to use them like at the market open because that's when there's really that's when the what you call it the momentum is really really going. That's what we want to see.
Yeah, I'm like, what the fuck? This bitch is really printing. What the fuck?
Stop filled.
Yeah. So yeah, so you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it just but yeah. Nah.
He said that was some wizard shit.
Yeah.
Oh god.
But yeah, that's all. I just wanted to show you like how you could do some shit. Again, that was
Well, you
it
know
just
some shit with these candles, but
yeah. So that's that's how that goes. So and like that's why I always say you don't want to do it in the middle of the night because in the middle of the night it can get real choppy like here.
yeah.
But I mean it can get choppy. It can also so look that don't I know that looked clean that looked good just now, but just don't get it twisted. You can still get chopped up at the open.
Real shit. I mean, it's all off of probabilities, right? You know what I mean?
Everything's
Just like
probabilities.
everything else, you get a good risk to reward on that drink, it's golden. You know what I mean? You can stick to a good risk to reward, you're golden.
Man, do it with one NQ and on evals. Ooh.
Yeah. So
Damn,
this next
bro.
chart.
Ain't that crazy though? Because like even with a 30-40% win rate, you could be profitable as long as you got good risk management and a good RR. You know what I mean?
And yeah, that's all you be needing sometimes, man. Just I don't even know what how much was that? So if one NQ that might have been what $600. I have no
God
idea.
damn. Now that's stupid. We ain't even been here an hour, 30 minutes. Shit, 10. You just put that bitch in. God damn.
So,
yeah, that's dope though. That's really dope.
yeah, that's how it is.
So how would you go about that though? Like a 1-2, or you're going for a 1-1, or you know what I mean? Like
It's
are you going for the low or?
It all depends. You can so the stop would be here, right? So say you went 1-1, that's the stop, right?
Yeah.
And then basically, one could target this level if you want, or you can trail it. Like you can see, I just put a quick trail just so we can see it real quick. But it can end up dropping much further. Like this one, did this one go 1-1? Let me see. This one didn't even go 1-1. So, but again, you were up so much.
Yeah, you could have put in break even or did whatever.
Break even halfway through the thing, and even at halfway, it would have been good.
Exactly. So short. We got in. I don't know how much heat we took.
So are you just looking at these candles? Or are you going back for regular candles, Japanese candles, You know what I'm saying? And kind of putting them together, or you just
Nah,
solely looking off of
nope.
this?
If I say I want to, if I'm looking at a specific candle, that's all I'm looking at. If I'm saying
Okay.
if today I'm
Okay.
120 and 5 brick, that's all I'm looking at. 120 and 5, we go short here, we put the
Okay.
stop here, we add a trail when we need it, let it run. Like when we first got in the
Okay.
trade, you can see the next brick it like kind of shot up. I was still creating the ATM, so
Yeah.
I went in. It made the risk to reward a little bit better, but you got in, the stop goes where it needs to be, the target goes where it needs to be, and then the trail just gonna activate. So now you can maybe what if I could have put the trail further away? I mean, whatever the case is, it was sim. So I was trying to demonstrate how the
Yeah.
bricks work. That's all I was trying to show for y'all. I didn't think it would hit. It did, to be honest. But
Man, you just that nigga, man. Of course it was gonna hit, bro. Of course that shit was gonna
oh
hit,
shit,
bro.
that was funny. But yeah, I'm just it just you put the stop. My thing is entry, stop where it needs to be, target where it needs to be, let it play out. So on one micro that was 60 something dollars, I guess. I don't know. Could have been up more. So
Hey, uh, doing that confluence this with the 61.8. Ooh, that'd be 80
hmm
plus setup.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. And
Nah, nah, yeah.
this is the type of thing where you literally can just do one trade a day.
But it's crazy because it doesn't look like it goes red, green, red, green. You know what I mean? It doesn't look. It looks like once it prints off a green candle, it rides for a little bit. Once it prints off a red candle, it's gonna ride for a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Yep,
Even if it's just for a little bit.
that's a fact.
Like at the beginning of those the chart right there, where it's just that little chopped green and that little chopped red. Like, I mean, that should still be enough to probably break even a little bit.
Of course, of course. And the thing is too, like you can look. Where is it going? We're
And
going
it
to
looks
so
like it got a lot more long chop ones.
yeah, for sure. Especially at the time, if you look at if you
Yeah,
look
if you're
from
getting
market
it at the
open,
time, yeah. Yeah.
yeah, from market open, and even before market open. Honestly, if you go like even let's look at
That pre New York you opened it pushing two though with that news though around 7:30.
yeah, like even let's look at the open yesterday. The market opened and
That shit was
it's just
stupid.
up, just up.
So what's that green rectangle down there?
That might be like a fair value gap, I think, or
That is
something.
a fair
Okay.
value gap.
Okay.
Oh, I guess so, huh? Because that big ass gap right there.
Yeah, look at
So
this.
it marked it out for you.
Look at this. It's just clean. This is
Yeah, that's
so right
nice.
now. Did we go 1-to-1? Yeah, we're about to go 1-to-1.
There's I see like there's times where it pinpoints the whole trend of the whole market.
The whole fucking
Yeah.
trend, bro. That's
Yo,
what
you
it is.
lost connection.
Oh, did I?
Your bid ask is 0. Hold on, let me do this. Reload Ninja.
Oh, remember my thing's been like faulty for like forever.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
because the market just hit 1-to-1 target, I think,
Come on, let's go, bro.
on this one.
Too easy.
Yeah, you might need to reconnect and disconnect,
Let me see.
but I'm gonna give up control. And then yeah, you got it.
We hitting targets on accident.
Oh, accidentally.
Man, come on.
Yeah.
I ain't even need to make that money. Fucking need that.
Oh shit. But yeah, that's how it can be. So as long as at the end of the day, as long as you keep your risk intact, that'd be the most
Man,
that'd be the issue
that's
with
the key
people.
ingredient right there, bro.
hmm That'd
Man,
be
That's
the
really the
issue.
key ingredient.
my
Yeah.
yeah,
That'd
it
be the
just
issue.
closed. That's weird.
Yeah. Yeah, you might there might be issue with the trade of data maybe.
Yeah, because I disconnected and I connected back again and I reloaded the history and it didn't do anything. But let me go ahead
Mm,
and save my workspace before anything happens.
yeah. Save your workspace for sure. Yep.
Is this a Ninja Trader?
Yeah, this is Ninja Trader. Oh, you know what? You might not even be able to save your workspace because this chart is still loading.
Oh.
But that's fine.
Mm.
This chart, it's I already added the data series in there, so you're good. This chart is easily rebuildable.
Okay, bet.
That's
I'm
cool.
gonna make a note
Yeah.
of that just in case it's not loaded tomorrow. I can
Yeah.
uh let me make a note and leave it here on the computer.
Yes, sir.
It is a
120 and
120 and 5,
5.
right?
120 and 5. And if you do like trade it or look at it or whatever, 1 micro for now. 1 micro.
One
Because the
micro.
loss, because what it is too is say you go to take a trade and then it ends up flipping.
Yeah.
Uh you gotta I would get out where the brick flips down. Not you know what I'm saying? So like well, I'll show you in real time. I'll show you in real time on Sim. Don't trade it on your live accounts yet.
No, 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 no.
Don't do that. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll show you once it's all loaded up. I'll show you like in real time um tomorrow when it's like after the market has done with it. Market is now coming back down to the 50% of the day, by the way. We've blown through golden ratio or 38.2.
Damn.
Yeah.
I'm gonna restart my thing because that is getting close to where my
Yeah, restart your ninja. Yeah. That's what I would do. But yeah, that'd be the issue, bro. That's a lot of people what they do is, you know, they be sized too heavy. That's why I'm
That
so
was no
adamant
problem, bro.
about saying like keep like yes, more contracts. If it was to hit your target, yes, bigger win. Cool.
Yeah.
Everybody knows how to hit targets. Everyone does. Not everyone knows or not everyone is inclined to take a stop loss. I'd rather make it so that when my stop losses get hit, I don't have some type of logical, situation where it really truly affects me crazy. Yes, the targets and the profits can be smaller. Yes, that's fine. I don't care about the profits because targets get hit. I have a very high win rate. It's all about for me. I need to manage the losses. That's what and yes, I do still have issues with that, but I'm getting better with that every time I trade, every time I'm in trades where I'm building my mental capital because I'm seeing that my methodology works if I just follow it. If I just do what I'm supposed to do and I just follow that, the shit works. It only never works when I oversize. And even when I oversize, yes, it might work, but then it will psychologically tell me, oh, okay, oversize
It's
on the
okay
next
to do
one.
that the next time. Yep.
And
You're
then
creating that. Man,
that's
come on,
bad
man.
habits. And then that's when you do it again. And you're like, fuck, no, just take this game is slow. I don't care about the 100K payout, 100K. I don't care about that. Give me my 6K, give me my 10, 12K. Give me those. I'll take those little ones. They're not little. They're not little, but
I'm like, shit, them is beautiful.
you know what I'm saying?
Bro,
I will take
oh man,
those.
this is, yeah, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Give me that. I will gladly take that. That's what I need. I'm cool with those.
Real
Those
shit,
little
bro.
3, 4, 6K, give me those. I'm
Real shit.
cool with those. I can go take me $100 payout per account on a bunch of them. That's perfectly fine. I will do that. You know what I'm saying?
That's
So
it makes me remember like this video, bro, because like all you doing is speaking music to my ears, bro, because it's like it's boring, bro. Motherfuckers, and we fuck ourselves up because it's boring. Because in the back office, it's already proven, it's already showing us that our system is working. It is
yes,
literally showing every day that our system is working.
every
But
day.
once we go off of the system, use our brain, that's when we fuck up. But it's because it's
Mm-hmm.
getting boring to us because we want to feel that dopamine. We want to feel
Yep.
something. We're not feeling nothing when we're only making a couple $100 in a trade when we wanted to make 1,000. You know what I mean?
And
But it's
and people be wanting to switch up the strategy once it starts working because they
when
get
it
boring.
starts working, bro, because it's getting boring. But when it gets boring, that's literally the proof of the pudding that it's working. You know what I'm saying? That you're not having to put in any extra stress. You're not having to do any of this extra shit. You just come in and
Yep.
do what you know you're supposed to do. You know
That's
what I'm
it.
saying? As soon as we veer off of that, that's what literally fucks us up. Like with me, bro, personally, with the losses all the time. Like, bro, in the past 2 months, real shit, bro, I've probably lost 3, 4 real losses. That means I came in, did everything that I was supposed to do, and I just couldn't do it. It was the market. But how
Yep.
many losses I took that I didn't have to take was probably like 10, 15, bro. You know what I'm saying? Days coming in that I told myself I wasn't going to trade, then I ended up taking a trade. I told myself to take profit. I ended up turning winners into losers. You know what I'm saying? I broke
Mm-hmm.
even. Once it came to broke even, I got back in. So it's like if I was going to get back in, I might as well have just left my fucking trade alone. You know what I'm saying? So going off the plan because just stupid shit, bro. Just because it's getting born, I guess. You know what I'm saying? And it's like,
Mm-hmm.
bro, even whenever it was already working, you know what I'm saying? All you had to do was come in and do the same fucking thing.
That's it.
And if I don't make a trade that day, that's cool. That means I still basically won money because it's like it was either I was gonna take a trade and lose money because there wasn't nothing there. You know what I'm saying? So
Mm-hmm.
man, bro, what you saying is like literally because especially with you being where you are, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get to where you are, bro. You know what I'm saying? And it's like literally proof with our systems working in the back office, but as soon as we just intervene, you know what I'm saying, and put our own little 2 cents in, that's whenever shit start to crumble, bro. It's like we already there, you know what I'm saying? And whenever you can identify your problem, that's the one first rule of being able to fix insanity is being able to identify your problem. And whenever we're able to script out what the hell we know we're doing wrong, you know what I'm saying? Like, bro, we
Yep.
there, bro. We really there, bro. That's what I needed to hear this morning.
Yeah.
Uh,
And the thing too is if like I see a lot of people online. For me, I don't really ever try to compare myself to anyone just because I know what I can do. I can know what I can do. The
yeah,
comparison is a thief of joy. So my thing is I see a lot of people doing some really amazing things, and all I do is I can just tip my hat off to them. That's it. I see people doing amazing things. What that how they trade, I don't know. Doesn't matter to me, but they're doing it. So it's like tip my hat off to them. The way they're doing shit is different how I do shit, and that's okay. And I'm cool with that. I'm 100% cool with that. Nothing, no issues, no jealousy, no nothing. It's just a different race, and that's it. The way I do my stuff is the way I do my stuff, and it works for me. So, and I know at the end of the day, I know my dollar amount risk tolerance. I know what gets me a little uneasy. So I just trade small. I'm happy for Apex that they have a lot of accounts that you can do that. Um, yeah, man. So it's a nice feeling. It's a good feeling trading a certain way and um, being able to get my targets and being done uh, and just helping people out and being able to chill out and yeah, that's what it's all about for me. No stress. Well, there's stress, but it's not crazy stress that I can't. So yeah, that's where I'm at. That's
it's
where I'm at.
compared to no type of stress that you've been through trying to get to where you at now.
Yes. Yep. And I still have days I fuck up. I still all the stuff. There are still days where I'm like, all right, I think I can outdo the work I put in to build these systems. But it's like, nah, just stick to the system. If it's an L day, there's an L day. If it's that's it. Don't for me, the 1 minute trade I talked about. If do not get in before the candle break or the candle close. You get in before, it might work once or twice, but over a period of time, it has proven the original method, the way I do it, has proven to work. Just do that, nothing else. So,
Impatient, waiting for the camera to show you what it wants to do. Listen,
Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm about to. Oh, this little dog. All right, man. I'm done. I'm about to cook breakfast and wait for the Verizon business tech to get here so I
Hell
can
yeah.
get all my stuff situated, man. But
Hell yeah, bro. Good talk, man.
yeah,
Good day. Good shit with y'all
yes, sir.
boys.
Yes,
Y'all take it
sir.
easy, man. Hop off this good too. It's like
Yes,
these.
sir.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yes, sir. What y'all got going on for the rest of the day?
I'm gonna take
Uh,
my daughter to the movies right now, and I should be back
hey,
sometime in the afternoon, and I'll do a wellness check. See y'all trying to play the game. We'll see what we do.
All right, yeah. Let me know when y'all back. Let me know.
All right, bro.
hell yeah. Already, bro. Y'all take it easy, man.
Let's get.
Good day.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
All right. Great.